Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Sony PlayStation green screen error. So guys, this often appears due to corrupted system files, HDMI issues, or a failed update. So first, check the HDMI connection, turn off your PlayStation, unplug and firmly reconnect the HDMI cable, or try a different HDMI cable or port. What you could try to do as well is restart in a safe mode. So power off the console completely. Hold the power button until you hear two beeps. And after that, connect your controller with a USB cable. Then select restart a PS4 or a PS5. Now, in safe mode, choose rebuild database. And this can fix corrupted files without deleting your data. And if you're still stuck, in safe mode, just simply select Update System Software via Internet or USB. And that's simply about it. I hope these solutions help you understand more. And guys, if any of these doesn't work, you may need to contact the PlayStation support for this to be fixed.